Is your fridge about to become your phone's new best friend? Samsung's AI fridges aren't just for chilling groceries, they're using AI to locate your lost phone. No more frantic searches. But wait, there's more. These smart appliances also control your home's air conditioning, optimizing temperature for ultimate comfort. Imagine a fridge that's also a high-tech finder and a smart thermostat. It's all thanks to Samsung's Bixby AI assistant, allowing voice commands for seamless control. This innovation shows Samsung's commitment to a connected home, offering convenience and a unique technological advantage. Get ready for a future where your fridge is smarter than you think. It's the start of a truly intelligent home.